In this video, we'll demonstrate how to merge PDFs on iPhone. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, open the Files app on your iPhone. Fortunately, you don't need a dedicated third-party app for making small changes to your PDFs. Next, navigate to the location where your PDFs are stored. Then, tap on the three dots icon within a circle at the top right corner and choose Select. Now, pick the PDFs you wish to combine from the list. Once selected, tap on the three dots icon within a circle at the bottom right corner. From the options that appear, select Create PDF. Voila! You've successfully merged the two chosen PDFs. Keep in mind that the Files app will use the same name as the first file. To rename it, press and hold the merged PDF and select Rename from the options. Moreover, you can delete the original individual files if you need to free up some space. Lastly, repeat similar steps for all the PDFs you want to merge. Having learned how to merge PDFs on your iPhone, why not level up your tech expertise? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially selected videos tailored to your needs.